Hey my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, me now. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey yo, Skilla.
Alright everyone, you don't know who this already at the Skilla. You see me I say to you and watch now. This young man say I go eat some pepper for $1,000. You see me? Me I bring that video to you for make you know say first of all, don't try something like this. It's not normal. And secondly, how much pepper I eat for that $1,000 there? So please observe with me.
Ready. One, two, three. Name it. Yeah. Yeah, he's a bomber. Yeah. Hurry up, you're in my parliament. You eat it. Turn up and eat it. Come, yeah. You can't switch out, you can't do. Hurry up, smile. Yeah, easy. Yeah, man. You got my name now, yeah. Come on, you eat all the time and swallow. No, man, swallow. You must swallow and show me mouth. No, eat it in the mouth. You're the real boss.
I wonder if him realize it is as hot coming out as it is going in. So twice the pain for that $1,000 and should yo, no listen to me man. A scotch bonny pepper that you know, real Jamaican know what is scotch bonny pepper you know. It's not normal to eat one pan your food much as two. You see what I say? As something will make you bleed and give you ulcer and it's not good for your ulcer on top of that. You see what I say? The man starts sweat in less than 60 seconds. When me reach a number 4, me look on him face. He start sweat, spit out the 6th one. You see me? Look, don't listen to me very good. Please don't try something like this. You hear me I say to you? You see it? Only left it to the professionals. Alright, for real, seriously, don't try it. You hear me? It is very dangerous for you. It can bring bodily harm. You see me? Where you can regurgitate, blood. You understand? So, if you don't know what regurgitate mean vomit. You see me I say, and nobody tell me me speak the word bad or whatsoever. You don't know we are Rob and Jamaican. We kinda put A and I and certain letters at certain places where certain pronunciation supposed to be made. So you know Jamaican do them thing already. You see me I say, yeah, regurgitate. We don't care how I say it. You see it? Alright, again, don't try it at home. And if you need to know more about one, you have to click the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave your comment, let me know what you think about a situation like this. And as always, you can always contact the Skilla, you read the description down below. You know the thing go already. My name is Skilla, and that way I just say, a Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.
Hey my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, me now. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.